Hi, I'm Alex, and this is a very different video than what I normally post on this channel, but I want to show you something. I recently built a tapeless camcorder rig, and if you don't know what that is, essentially it's this trend of converting old VHS camcorders and using them without any tapes by means of building a rig that is used to digitize your footage in real time. So you don't need the tapes, you just need the monitor and something to record it on. So what I have right here is my little camera rig. This is what it looks like. So this camera is a JVC GRC7U mini video movie camcorder from 1986, and it actually takes these things. It's a compact VHS, or VHS-C for short, and this is what it primarily takes for video. So we're just going to put this back here. So this Frankenstein of a rig is comprised of the camera itself, a support grip for a standard camera grip rig. We have a heavy-duty portable power bank and we have a universal power adapter, because there's a certain type of voltage that every camcorder needs in order to power on. For this example, this camera needs 9.6 volts in order to completely power on. So that's what this voltage adapter is for. And I know it might not read exactly 9.6 volts. That's because the adapter adjusts itself in real time. But to confirm that this is working, all I need to do is to press the eject button down here, and that's how you know that the camera is on. So, love that sound. So apart from all of that, we have a tripod phone mount adapter and the monitor itself. I'm using a ClearClick analog to digital video converter 2.0. So because this monitor doesn't have its own battery, I also have a miniature portable power bank that I have connected to this so that it stays on. It also has an SD slot as well as a USB slot for a portable drive. So you're probably asking yourself, why would you ever make such a thing? Well, because I have a problem. I'm just joking. I just really love the old VHS look. I am obsessed with VHS, the technology surrounding VHS, VCRs, analog video technology. Anything above that line, I am all for. When I was in college, I used to do these video projects that consisted of me jerry-rigging a whole bunch of equipment to make it look like I was my video was shot on VHS, and that was a huge passion for me. I only had the equipment provided to me from the college, so I couldn't do that on my own time. And after college, I really didn't have the opportunity to do that again until now. This has been a very slow process for me to gather materials in order to create this monster that you just saw. So you're probably asking, Alex, what's the first thing that you're gonna do with this rig? So the first thing that I did was shoot a travel vlog with me and my friends. We traveled from Maine to Maryland, and I documented most of the trip and some shenanigans the day after at the Airbnb that we stayed at. The reason that we went to Maryland was because all of us are filmmakers, and we recently did a film called Chapman Speaks. Chapman Speaks recently had a screening at the North Beach American Film Festival in North Beach, Maryland, and that was the main focus of our journey there. And I had mentioned to my friends while we were planning this trip out about my rig that I was building, and Ryan was the guy who suggested, hey, you should do a vlog. And that's exactly what I did. And I'm really happy with the results that I got from this thing. I'd like to take a moment to shout out my friends, the creators of Chapman Speaks. If you're interested in checking out our film, it will be released on Vimeo and YouTube for free on November 1st. If you want to support Chapman Speaks, simply visit chapmanspeaksmovie.com and you'll find all the information you'll need, as well as a storefront with DVDs, Blu-rays, posters, stickers, as well as coffee mugs. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you're considering subscribing, welcome, and enjoy the rest of this video.
New York City.
Take it. Nice break from the awful warm weather in New Hampshire. 850D.
Oh, the beauty.
Is that the one you bought when you were in school? Or? Yeah. Two can play this game, Mr. Gould. I think this is my Chapman Speed. Oh no, where's my meter? They're so ready. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's my shutter speed. Oh, this is fucking.
I'm ready to be photographed in all of the 19th
I should have worn a red shirt. It could have actually been like, you know, colors, but I guess I have red right here. So.
I don't want to be fucking Windows. Ew.
Why? No. Are you an Apple boy? Yes, I love that.
Isn't that Maryland, man? Okay, hey.
Yeah. Click a photo. Sorry, I'm in your way.
Was my battery dead? I thought it wasn't dead. Maybe my battery is dead. Maybe I can't take photos.
What is this, like a fucking... Get really stoned, man. I want to get really stoned, Alex. Recording?
Yeah.
Beautiful. I want to get really stoned and I want to meet God.
You want to be like,
God. So I've got some stuff to discuss with him, her, it, whatever.
They, them.
Yes. I want a vision quest. I'm gonna take all the edible. I'm gonna take all of it. I should have brought my puck and just eaten it.
Oh, I should show
I
you.
should just eaten the puck. Yeah.
Oh, I should show you my list.
I've been smoking more lately. I just like it's a little more controlled. Like I can kind of control my.
Dinner. Story time. Oh wow, dude, that's
See, this is the most important shot of this entire fucking trip.
Oh no.
Look at that. So we can replicate so much fucking porn from this. We can post this on OnlyFans and get $1 billion.
Oh my god, bro, you did it. You fucking did that perfect.
Alright, Alex, you're gonna post this on
I
OnlyFans?
have to send Lily this.
You ready? Alright, look at this. Dissection.
Oh. Oh, look at that.
Look at that fucker. Oh. You got it cooked pretty good there, and then they got that nice juicy center. That's how you cook a fucking steak. This is peak. This is peak human. You've never met peak human unless you've met me before.
You may not like it, but this is what peak performance looks like.
This is where the oopsies could happen. But no, it's not oopsie. It's just even better. It gets better. No, look at that. Look at that pink. That is great. That is beautiful. That is masterclass cooking. Oh, exactly. This is how you make it. eating